पल पल से बनता है एहसास, एहसास से बनता है विश्वास, विश्वास से बनते हैं रिश्ते, और रिश्तों से बनता है हर कोई खास, और वो है आप। तो स्वागत है आपका आज अधिक आसो सुद पूनम 1 अक्टूबर 2020 की हमारी पेशकश टीजीएस लैब असेंबली में। On eve of Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti, I, Yash Sardhara, your host one for today's morning assembly on learning. We learn at each and every step of our life. If we see life of great people, learning goes throughout our lifetime. One's life will stand still if he ceases to learn. True players are also not asking God for love. It is learning to love, including all mankind, to one affection with the feelings and pure heart. Join your hands and begin with the morning prayers.
जीवन का मर्म और मनुष्य देह का धर्म क्या है, उसका ज्ञान गुरु के चरणों में जाकर ही मिलता है। प्रस्तुत रचना में मीराबाई ने पूर्ण पुरुषोत्तम कृष्ण भगवान को ही अपना गुरु मान लिया है और कहा है, मोहे लागी लगन गुरु चरणन की, क्योंकि चरण बिना मोहे कछु नहीं भावे, बाकी सब माया है। और कहा है, भवसागर भले ही सूख गया है, मगर कृष्ण भगवान ने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा हुआ है, तो मुझे तैरने की या डूबने की चिंता ही नहीं है। आइए सुनते हैं।
father of nation and second prime minister of independent India, we can proudly quote that. लहू देकर तिरंगे की बुलंदी को सवारा है, फरिश्ते तुम वतन के हो, तुम्हें सजदा हमारा है। ऐसा बहुत कुछ सिखा गए हो आप हमें। चलिए सुनते हैं और एक महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानी भगत सिंह की बात ग्रेड 10 के विद्यार्थी ब्रोमिन दासानी से।
Namaste, I'm Bromin Dasani from grade 10 NIOS. My passion is to play football and I don't like to dance. Today I am going to speak about the revolutionary Shahid Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born with tremendous courage and heroism on 28 September 1907 in Punjab. He was widely known as Balwant, Ranjit and Virodi. March 23rd is observed as Shahid Bhagat Singh Divas to commemorate the sacrifice made by three freedom fighters, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Shivram, to contribute to India's independence from the British colonial rule. Bhagat Singh rightly said that being such a loud against Britishers that deaf can also hear. This quote inspired us to stay strong and make Atmanirbhar India. On this occasion, I would like to request all of you to use Swadeshi goods. Go vocal for local. There is a Bhagat Singh in all of us. We just need to awaken that voice in this difficult time. This is the time that you can do something for the country rather questioning the government. Any man who stands for progress and criticize challenged against this old faith and beliefs. Bhagat Singh rightly said that we should never underestimate the people who want to bring change to the society. India is a country with limitless potential. We can replace almost everything produced outside India with strong will and belief. The aim of life is no more to control the minds but to develop it harmoniously, not to achieve salvation here but make best use of our lives. I am here to pump up your thoughts with the spirit of Bhagat Singh to inspire you all to awaken the patriotism inside you. It would be great contribution to this nation if all of us do our a bit. Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad! May we all not just remember Bhagat Singh on this day, but practice his preachings in our life always.
મિત્રો સમય પણ શીખવે છે અને શિક્ષક પણ શીખવે છે. બંનેમાં ફરક ફક્ત એ જ છે કે સમય પરીક્ષા લઈને શીખવે છે અને શિક્ષક શીખવાડીને પરીક્ષા લે છે. એવા જ આપણા માનવતા શિક્ષકને લઈને આવી રહ્યા છે ગ્રેડ 10 ના કરણ ધ્રુવ. ચાલો શીખીએ કે શું કહે છે.
Namaste, I am Karan Dhruv. I study in class 10A, NIOS SNK. I like to make videos on YouTube and I don't like when somebody wastes water. Today I will be talking about teachers during these difficult times. Namaste. Students and teachers' effort to bring this revolutionary movement in education system should be covered. With the whole COVID-19 situation, a lot of teachers are facing a very unique challenge. No, it's not a sari challenge or a motherhood challenge. The challenge demanded that they have to go through digital transformation overnight. Teachers said, challenge accepted. They hid their tech fears with just a smile because children's learning is at stake. The challenge demanded that they have to open their houses for public viewing. Teachers said, challenge accepted. They suppressed their inhibitions, forgone their privacy because children's learning is at stake. The challenge demanded that they have to make do with limited or no resources. Teachers said, challenge accepted. They started working overtime to plan for teaching without any resources because children's learning is at stake. The challenge demanded that they might not be paid their full salaries. Teachers said, challenge accepted. They started worrying deep in their hearts about their own families, but they still continued because children's learning is at stake. The challenge demanded that they may need to teach while 30 odd parents are sitting over their shoulders, judging them for every single move, including voice modulation, pronunciation, grammar, knowledge, level, warmth. Teachers said, challenge accepted. It didn't matter because children's learning is at stake. I want to appreciate all the teachers who fought these challenges because children's learning is at stake. Thank you.
Sometimes it is not about the answer to the prayers. Sometimes it is more about what you learn while you are waiting for the answer.
जब तक यह अपने से नहीं बढ़ता है तब तक कोई ज्ञान वास्तव में तुम्हारा नहीं है, ये केवल उधार है।
કોઈએ મને પૂછ્યું તમારે શું માનવું છે, કયા ક્ષેત્રમાં તક છે? મેં જવાબ આપ્યો મારે સારો માણસ બનવું છે, તેમાં સ્કોપ પણ સારો છે અને કોમ્પિટિશન પણ નથી.
Thousands of the candle can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened.
धीरे धीरे रे मना, धीरे सब कुछ होए। माली सींचे सो घड़ा, ऋतु आए फल हुए। तो हम समझ सकते हैं कि संयम भी उतना ही जरूरी है।
The torch of learning is always held high in all actions we do. It is always true, we cannot hold torch to light another's path without brightening our own.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Every day brings a chance for you to draw in a breath. Kick off your shoes and dance. Let's watch Chil Saujani from grade 8, how fun it is to dance. And let's learn to keep ourselves fresh and rejuvenated.
आ गई घड़ी है देखो सबसे बड़ी, मुझसे बस 2 कदम पे देखो जीत खड़ी। हम मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का, अब देखो क्या करता है ये बंदा हिंदुस्तान का, जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं। हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का, बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रेबल और बेस का। सीधा चलूं या चलूं ढाई ढाई चाल, मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का। मिट्टी का कर्ज है मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा, तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा। जो भी कहा था मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा, इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा। मैं जम के पकड़ झाड़ दूंगा, तुझको मैं उखाड़ दूंगा। जहाँ से तू आया है ना वहीं तुझे गाड़ दूंगा। तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा, झंडा इंडिया का बेटे गाड़ दूंगा। या हारू मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं, तुमको मैं दिखाऊं मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं। माँ ही मेरा रब है, मेरी माँ ही मेरा पीर, मेरी माँ के पैरों के अलावा कोई दरगाह नहीं। नाचूंगा नाचूंगा मुझको फितूर है, नाचूंगा नाचूंगा दिल मजबूर है। आज की शाम मेरी माँ के है नाम, मेरी माँ मुझे देखेगी नाचना जरूर है। मैं जीतूं या हारूं मुझे नाचना जरूर है, मेरी माँ मुझे देखेगी नाचना जरूर है। नाचना जरूर है, मुझे नाचना जरूर है माँ।
देशभक्ति झंडे लहराने में नहीं है यारो, हमेशा ये सीखो और याद रखो। देशभक्ति इस प्रयास में है कि देश सही भी हो और मजबूत भी हो। इसके साथ सलामी देते हैं अपने तिरंगे को। असेंबली सावधान।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा।
तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
असेंबली विश्राम। लाइफ में वो मुकाम हासिल करो जहाँ लोग आपको ब्लॉक नहीं पर सर्च करें। सीखना सिखाना कभी रुकना नहीं चाहिए। सो हैंडिंग ओवर द टॉर्च टू आर रिवर्ड मोहित सर टू लर्न एंड पॉन्डर अवर पॉइंट टू सोचो।
Namaste. It is well said, when God closes one door, opens another. Today, when the whole world is battling with the numerous ravages caused by the pandemic, Internet has enabled us to transform our drawing rooms into the traditional classrooms and continue our learning journey. Digital world has proved to be the greatest boon for this generation, as it has literally substituted regular school learning into the current scenario. This goes without saying that Internet provides us a lot of learning tools that can help us wade through the sea of knowledge. It can help our learners master any branch of learning under the sun and can open numerous opportunities for shaping their brightest future. However, the world of Internet has also its darkest side. It can also provide us a plenty of stuff that can pollute even the most nurtured and cultured minds. The fragile minds of children may get easily trapped into the tentacles of this dirty material and spoil their mindset in the tender age. Although it is necessary that kids are encouraged to have their own thoughts without parents hovering their shoulders all the time. They cannot be led on their own when we talk about the internet and smart devices. The watchful eyes of parents and teachers over the internet usage of our children can save them from falling prey to a lot of cyber ills such as bullying, stalking, identity theft, piracy, and violating privacy. Through this platform of TGS Live Prayers, I appeal to all the honorable parents to regularly monitor the online activities of our kids and keep them away from digital dangers and threats. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Individual commitment to a group effort is what makes a team work, a company work, a society work, and a civilization work. And we thank all who have contributed to make this assembly to take its form. And with the same commitment, let us continue our journey through the day and throughout our lives with the thoughts and memories of our great leaders. Before we depart, let us hear it from our lovingly Bhumi ma'am.
નરસિંહ મહેતા દ્વારા રચિત આ ભજન વૈષ્ણવજન તો ગાંધીજીનું સૌથી પ્રિય ભજન હતું. જેમ ગાંધીજી સર્વની મદદ કરતા અને એ મદદ કર્યા બાદ એ જરાય અભિમાન ના રાખતા, એમ જ એક સાચો વૈષ્ણવ એ જ છે જે બધાની મદદ કરે છે, બધાની પીડા સમજે છે, પણ એના પછી તે મનમાં જરાય અભિમાન ધારતો નથી.
તૃષ્ણા ત્યાગે પર સ્ત્રી જેને માત રે જીવવા થકી અસત્ય ન બોલે પર ધન નવ જાલે હાથ રે સમે દ્રષ્ટિની તૃષ્ણા ત્યાગી સમે દ્રષ્ટિની તૃષ્ણા ત્યાગી પર સ્ત્રી જેને માત રે જીવવા થકી